Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix all Windows problems related to corruptions and integrity violations for any Windows 7, 8, 10, or 11. First step is to check any Windows integrity violations in your laptop or system by following the below command on command prompt. SFC scannow. If there is no violations, then it's good. But if it is, then this command will auto fix those violations. Secondarily, we need to check the window image corruption or health status by following command DISM online cleanup image CheckHealth. And this is more advanced scan will take more time as this will scan deeper. DISM online cleanup image ScanHealth. Now, if there was any corrupted files found in previous scan, then we need to fix those problems. So to restore the health, we will use below command DISM online cleanup image RestoreHealth. So this will fix all your Windows corruption problems.